Well, that was a surprise if I've ever seen one. Not in the script, but that's how it goes. And now, we have a word from our sponsors, Otter HVAC. Otter HVAC. Otter HVAC!
Oh,
The storm is just so big.
We're never gonna make it! We have to try. Oh, it's too cold! Oh!
what are you doing? Are you trying to go to the kitchen or what?
Just the thermometers.
Don't let your house get this cold. You oughter call Otter HVAC to get your heating systems checked.